Hi everyone, it's Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my plans, my cross stitching plans for 2024. And I've divided this video into categories of, first category is like what I want to finish in the new year. The next category is what I want to cross stitch more of, or what I want to make more progress on. And the third category is going to be new kits and charts that I want to start cross stitching in the new year. So it's going to be interesting, so stay tuned. Let me start by showing you the kits that I really am wanting to finish cross stitching in 2024. And let's start with this kit here. This is a preview from a kit that I started cross stitching, and I'm only going to show you previews, not the cross stitch projects, because I really don't have so much time on my hands. So this is what I want to finish, this kit by Dimensions, which was made in 2002. These Yoruban women, I love them, they're very beautiful. I cross stitched this on black fabric, Ada fabric, and hopefully I'm gonna finish them in 2004. Next chart that I want to finish is this Summer Quaker, and this is by Lila Studio. Beautiful Summer Quaker with a lot of detailing, and I have cross stitch this part here, this frame. All I need to do is cross stitch this upper part and the middle part, and it's finished. So hopefully 2004 it will be finished. Next kit that I want to finish is this kit by Mireshka. This is a birdhouse with roses. I love the roses. I love the smaller roses that are like a bush, and this is called Rose Bush. And I have just started cross stitching it. It's only these roses and this part here that I'm finished with, so I have a lot to go on, a lot to finish, but hopefully I will. And I'm still thinking, I don't know, I haven't decided if I want to buy this kit or not. I love the color combination of yellow and purple. Maybe, we'll see. But this is the one I want to finish. Next chart I want to finish is this Quaker by Jardine Thrive. I'm sorry, I'm probably saying it wrong. This is like farm Quaker with a lot of detailing, and then this is cross stitched using just one color. That will be 815 DMC floss. Hopefully I can cross stitch 2024 and get this finished in 2024. Next kit, and I've this is by Dimensions, Perfect Patio, which was made in 2002. I've done like half of this is finished, so this part here is completely finished. So half of this is still left. The window, the wall, and this bush here. It's the only thing that is left. So hopefully I'm gonna finish this in 2024. Next kit, and this is not a big kit. This is also a kit by Dimensions. This is called Springtime, and I have her skirt, her top, and her arm ready. I haven't done the back stitching yet, so I have this part here left with the back stitching. So this I'm pretty sure I'm gonna finish in 2024. This next stack of previews, these are the ones that I want to not complete. Well, of course I would like to complete them, but I realistically know that I won't be able to complete them in 2024, but I will probably have done some progress, some significant progress on these kits. Like this one here, I have done this part here and here. So more than half is not finished, but hopefully I will maybe cross stitch this part here. But I'm not that optimistic that I'm probably not going to finish this in the new year, unfortunately. But I still want to continue cross stitching it. this kit here, this is a big kit, 15 by 15 inches or 40 by 40 centimeters. This is the era of the dinosaurs, and I've only like made this lower part here, so I have a lot to go. So maybe, hopefully, I can go up to the mountains and maybe cross stitch this part, maybe get the dinosaur ready, and we'll see. And of course, my beautiful shops, Christmas shops, and I'm planning, hopefully, to get this part here ready, this page. The three shops here, that is the toy shop, the cafe, and the flower shop. Hopefully these three I will be able to cross stitch and finish in 2024. And the last kit that I know I'm probably never gonna finish in this 2024 year, but hopefully I can go. This is what I've done this part here, so I'm hopefully gonna go up and maybe just start cross stitching this beautiful cherry blossom tree, because I love the pink colors here. Okay, this next part here, I'm gonna show you the kits and the charts that I want to start in the new year. So the first kit that I want to start, this is by Dimensions, Coats French Lavender. This is an old kit. I bought it on eBay, and this has like a printed fabric. This is printed, and this is the only thing that you have to cross stitch, so it's not that big. It's beautiful lavender. Hopefully I'm gonna finish it in this year, because it's not so big, and I've even bought some lavender seeds that I want to try to grow in on my balcony. See if that works. Beautiful, beautiful floss. I love the purple colors here. Very beautiful. So next kit that I want to start is this kit by Mareka, and this is you can see that this is a wolf. He's drinking water, and then his eyes go up, and he sees Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, I'm just joking, but this, I like the forest very much. It looks very magical, mystical. And this is a big kit. This is gonna be like 32.5 by 48 centimeters. So it's big, and just it's very thick, very thick. And this is Zweigart, Ada fabric, and DMC floss. It's called Wild Spirit, and this is the floss. And there's a lot of dark floss, which I don't really like, but you can't cross stitch without the dark floss here, unfortunately. I am sure that I won't be able to finish this in 2024. This is a really big kit, but maybe I'll make a dent. Maybe just this part here I'll be able to cross stitch. We'll see. Next kit that I want to cross stitch is these beautiful flowers. This is called Endless Summer. And I love the color combination, the pastel colors of blue, pink, and purple, and green. Very, very beautiful. I love them, and unfortunately you won't be able to see the floss. Next kit, also kind of an old kit. This was made in 2014. This is Anchor. Beautiful deck chairs. Rainbow deck chairs. I love the colors, the different colors. And of course the floss. And this is the fabric, which is like dark blue, or not very dark blue. I really, really like it, and it doesn't seem so complicated. I mean, the deck chairs look very, very easy. There's nothing difficult in them. So hopefully I'll be able to finish this project. Next project is also by Mareka, or Mareshka. This is called Autumn Wreath, but for me it's more of a forest wreath, because I have a forest nearby where I live, and all of these things, and like these acorns and the oak trees and the berries and these, I don't know what are they called, red berries, all of them are found in my forest nearby where I live. So for me, it's more like a forest wreath, not like autumn wreath. I don't know. I really like it. This is 16 count inch fabric, 28 by 24 centimeters. Good quality materials by Mareika. I like Mareika very much. Maybe even I'll be able to finish this one next year. We'll see. And the last kit that I want to share with you that I would like to start. This is a kit by Luca S. And this is a dog. And the dog looks pretty guilty, because this is the mess that the dog has made. And the mess is very, very colorful, which I like. I like the colors here. And here you can see that this is Ada fabric, 16 count, Inca floss, 64 colors, and the skill level, it's not very complicated, like not 3 stars, 3 hearts. This would be 15 by 11 inches, and it's in black and white, which I have. I really think that the kits by Lucas and Letty Stitch, they're very complicated, because the chart has so many symbols, so many colors. Hopefully, I'll be able to cross stitch this one, but I know I'm probably not gonna be able to finish it this year. And then I have 2 charts that I would like to start cross stitching in 2024. And this first chart, this is by Joan Elliott. This is called Fairy of the Rainbow. And if you don't know, Joan Elliott makes a lot of fairies, different fairies, fairy of the rainbow, fairy of the clouds, fairy of the wind, fairy of the different kind of flowers. This one is the one I like the most because of all the beautiful colors on the dress of the fairy. And if you look a little bit closer, let me just show you here. These little dots here, they represent beads, and I don't like beads. I'm not a fan of beads. I don't like working with beads. And here you have beads as well on her dress, these little flowers. So I'm probably gonna just make crosses instead of using beads. And there's a lot of back stitching, and some back stitching is in like cranic, metallic. It's very beautiful. So hopefully I'm gonna start cross stitching this one. I haven't ordered all the floss, and this is DMC floss. I'm gonna have to be quick on that and order all the floss, and there's like 50 or 60 colors in here. And the last chart that I want to share with you, this is a chart from a magazine called Cross Stitcher. This is like a mouse house. You have a tree house here. There's a tree, and this is the way in, the door, and here you can see this mouse is knitting and sitting by the fire, and then you have another mouse that is reading a book to the 2 small children mouse. I like it. It's very colorful. It's very playful. It's like a fairy tale, and I love fairy tales, cross-stitching fairy tales, because they have a lot of color in it. So these are my plans for 2024. Let me know in the comment section what you think about my plans, what cross-stitch kit, what chart you would like me to start cross-stitching, or to finish cross-stitching, or to continue cross-stitching. And these are only plans. They are subjected to change. They might change at any moment, because like somewhere, let's say in April, a new kit comes out, and I fall in love with it, and I just want to buy it and start cross-stitching it. So this is based on what I think is now. But then what's going to happen in July or September, I don't know. Something else might come up. So just these plans are not written in stone, so to speak. But hopefully I will enjoy making cross-stitching all of these kits and charts, and I'm going to be sharing them with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already done that, because there's lots more to come. And I hope you have a great new year. Have a great day. Bye-bye.